Because when I was about to get married, I was asking for advice from him. Sabi ko, Dad, nakasal na ako, baka may gusto kong makikita sa akin advice. Be the king of the house. Be the light of the house. Be the law of the house. Dahil kasi sigaw, lahat ng ayaw ng asawa mo, gawin mo. And always have the last word. Okay? Okay. I'm the king of the house, my wife is the ace. I'm the lion of the house, my wife is the circus trainer. I'm the law of the house, my wife is the judge. Lahat ng ayaw ng wife ko, ginagawa ko, ayaw niya maglaba, ako naglalaba. Lahat pasigaw, magsayang ka na ilang kilo! Magplancha ka! Yes! Last word.